In this video, we are going to show you the perfect itinerary for Dubai. One of the questions we get the most is how to build a logical itinerary through the city of the future without baking in the heat and spending intelligently in one of the most expensive destinations in the world. To see the absolute basics, just the Burj Khalifa, the mall, and the desert, you need 4 days. But to take it easy, visit the old part, spend a day in Abu Dhabi, enjoy the beaches and theme parks. We recommend at least 7 days. That is why we prepared a super complete 7-day itinerary with the best of Dubai, grouped by region so you do not waste time. So let us get started. What is the best time to visit Dubai? This is a matter of survival. The climate is desert. The best time by far is their winter, which runs from November to March. In these months, the temperature is delightful, ranging between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for beach and walking on the street. The worst time is summer, from May to September. The heat is unbearable, exceeding 113 degrees Fahrenheit with high humidity. It is impossible to stay outside. In these months, life happens only inside air conditioning. Pay attention to Ramadan, the holy month, which changes every year and restricts eating and drinking in public during the day. And how many days to stay in Dubai? The city is spread out and traffic can be intense. The number one mistake is thinking everything is close. The bare minimum we recommend is 5 full days, but the ideal is 7 days to include Abu Dhabi and a day of shopping or beach. Now let us get to the detailed day by day. Day 1. The center of the world. Downtown Dubai. Start with the icon. Go to the Dubai Mall, the largest mall in the world. Inside, see the giant aquarium. The acrylic panel is free. From the outside, the waterfall with the divers and the ice skating rink. In the afternoon, go up the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Entrance to the At the Top observation deck, floors 124-125, costs about $50. The golden tip is to go up around 4:30 in the afternoon to see the city by day, the sunset, and the night lights. When descending, go to the outside area to see the dancing fountain show. It is free and happens every 30 minutes starting at 6 p.m. Have dinner at Time Out Market, which is in Souk Al-Bahar, facing the fountains. It has food from award-winning chefs at fair prices and a balcony with a privileged view. Staying in a good region will make your trip much easier. The strategy in Dubai is to choose between the beach, the center, or value for money. The first option is downtown Dubai. The advantage is being in the heart of the city with lots of luxury and easy access to the metro and Burj Khalifa. The disadvantage is the high price and no beach. The second option is Dubai Marina or JBR. It is the beach area full of skyscrapers, boardwalk restaurants, and nightlife. The vibe is incredible, but traffic is heavy. The third option to save money and be practical is the Al Barsha region near the Mall of the Emirates. It is halfway between the marina and downtown, has excellent hotels with fair prices and great metro access. We created this personalized map that explains exactly which is the best region. Staying near the metro in any of these areas, you cannot go wrong. We will leave here on the screen QR code and in the video description the link to this map. We created them on the hotel site we always use, as it always has the best prices and free cancellation. And remembering that in this link below, we always organize everything you need to set up your entire trip for the lowest price. The sites we use to build our trips and that have everything much cheaper, such as international eSIM cell phone chip, to have internet essential, to call Uber discounted travel insurance tickets for all the attractions we mentioned, good and cheap hotels we have already stayed at, and the global account to carry dollars or dirhams paying much lower fees. Save this page in your favorites. Day 2. The soul of the city, Old Dubai. Today we go to the historical part. Take a taxi or metro to the Al Fahidi neighborhood Bastakia. Walk through the sand-colored alleys and see the old wind towers. Visit the coffee museum. Walk to the edge of the creek, the canal, and take an abra, a traditional wooden boat to cross to the other side, Dera. It costs just 1 dirham, about 30 cents in cash. On the other side, get lost in the souks markets. The gold souk has unbelievable gold windows. See the largest ring in the world. The spice souk is the place for spices. Negotiate everything you buy. For lunch, have an authentic and cheap meal at the Arabian Tea House in Al Fahidi. End the day at the Dubai Frame, the giant golden frame. The glass floor up there gives you butterflies in your stomach, and you see old Dubai on one side and the new on the other. Day 3. Palm Island and Marina. Start the day by going to Palm Jumeirah, the artificial island. Go up to the view at the Palm observation deck to understand the shape of the island. The view is 360 degrees. Take the monorail to the tip of the island to see the Atlantis Hotel. If you want fun, spend the day at Aquaventure, the largest water park in the world located there. In the late afternoon, go to the Dubai Marina. Walk along the boardwalk, watching the yachts and the twisted buildings. Cross the bridge to Blue Waters Island to see the Ain Dubai, the Ferris wheel. Have dinner at one of the restaurants on Pier 7 in the marina for a beautiful night view of the illuminated boats. Day 4. Adventure in the sand. Desert safari. Enjoy the morning to relax at the hotel pool or go to the public beach of JBR Jumeirah Beach Residence, which has an open-air mall structure. In the afternoon around 3 o'clock, take the desert safari. Companies pick you up at the hotel in 4 cars. The tour includes a rally on the dunes with thrill stops for photos at Sunset Short Camel Ride and ends at a Bedouin camp with buffet dinner and belly dancing and fire show. It costs between $50 and $80 per person and is unmissable. Day 5. Day trip to Abu Dhabi. Go to the capital, which is an hour and a half from Dubai. You can go by bus transfer or rent a car for a day. The main attraction is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. It is the most beautiful mosque in the world made of white marble and gold. Entry is free but requires a reservation, and the dress code is strict. Women must cover head, arms, and legs with loose clothing. Also visit the Louvre Abu Dhabi, a spectacular museum that floats on the sea, and Qasr Al Watan, the presidential palace. If you like adrenaline, visit Ferrari World on Yas Island, where the fastest roller coaster in the world is located. Day 6. The future and the world. In the morning, visit the Museum of the Future. It is that silver ring-shaped building with Arabic calligraphy. The exhibition is about technology in 2071. Attention, buy the ticket weeks in advance as it sells out. If it is winter October to April, spend the afternoon and evening at Global Village. It is a giant complex with pavilions from more than 90 countries, each selling typical food and crafts. It is cheap, fun, and great for dining different foods and buying souvenirs. Day 7. Flowers and shopping. If it is in season winter, visit the Miracle Garden, the largest natural flower garden in the world, with plains and castles covered in flowers. For the last afternoon, dedicate yourself to shopping. The Mall of the Emirates is quieter than the Dubai Mall and has the indoor ski slope Ski Dubai, where you can see penguins. For a luxurious farewell dinner, consider CELA Sios, which has an iconic view of the Burj Khalifa from the front, or Aura Sky Pool during the day to swim in the highest infinity pool in the world. An important tip is to buy tickets for attractions in advance. The Museum of the Future and the sunset time at Burj Khalifa sell out weeks before. We will leave in the QR code on the screen and in the description the link to the site where we always buy tickets for the lowest price. It is the largest tour site in the world, and you buy in dollars, saving fees. Now let us talk about transportation. How to get around Dubai. To arrive, you fly to Dubai International Airport DXB. To get around within the city, remember that distances are gigantic and you cannot walk between neighborhoods. The Dubai Metro is excellent clean and covers the main line of the city airport downtown Marina. Buy the Silver Card, Knoll Card. For where the Metro does not go, use a taxi, which is safe, has a meter and fair price, or Uber Kareem. Renting a car is good if you want to go to Abu Dhabi, but traffic in Dubai is intense. Quick shopping tips. Dubai is not necessarily cheap for luxury brands. Global prices. What is worth it? Gold price regulated by weight spices. Saffron, cardamom, Arab perfumes, oud and dates. Those from Batil are the best. Electronics can also have good prices. Mandatory documentation for international tourists. To enter the United Arab Emirates, the rules are great. Citizens of many countries do not need an advance visa for tourism. The stamp is free on arrival. You just need a passport valid for at least 6 months. No vaccine is currently required. And remembering travel insurance. Medical costs in Dubai are among the highest in the world. A simple hospitalization can cost a fortune. We never travel without it. And in the link in the description, there is the comparator we use, which always finds insurance for half the price. And how much does it cost to eat in Dubai? There is something for every budget. A street shawarma at Al Mala costs $5 and is divine. A lunch in a food court costs $10. A dinner in a restaurant overlooking the fountains costs $40 to $60. Remember that alcohol is only sold in licensed hotels and clubs and is very expensive. A beer costs $12 to $15. And what to do at night? Dubai has a vibrant nightlife. There are many beach clubs and rooftops in the marina and on the Palm. Ladies' nights are famous on specific days. Women get free drinks at various bars. And if you are traveling with kids, it is a paradise. Kidzania at Dubai Mall, Legoland, and Motion Gate Parks, and the Atlantis Hotel Aquarium are guaranteed fun. If you liked this detailed itinerary, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much and safe travels.